There's another...
Yeah, I see another one up there too.
Wow. Which side of the road is this guy going on?
I don't know. We're at the rumble strips.
Yep. He's in the middle of the road.
Yeah. It's okay, the rumble strips are keeping me company.
And now you can see there are no roads.
That's a policeman.
I was gonna say there's a cop up there.
Yep. Is it bad form to pass a cop in snow like this?
I don't know. I'm gonna record the whole thing. He's disappeared.
He's there.
Oh, there he is. I don't remember reading in the rule book it's against the law to pass a cop in a snowstorm.
Yeah. They're usually a good judge of how fast safe is, though.
He's also following a truck.
Oh, he's getting off. Bye-bye, policeman.
Ooh! I'm recording this. Is he pulling the truck over? Or wanting the truck to go by?
I'm not sure. Maybe he's looking for where
the exit is, I don't know. Yeah, just take our time. This is silly.
This is almost as bad as Toronto rush hour for speed.
Yeah. Well, over there, no road. Over there, no road. No signs to be read. It is snowy. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, there's a bad car.
Oh, there's a bad parking job.
Wow. See, they can't even see it on here.
No, he's got tape on it. There's tape on the door of it. That was smart. Put tape on the door and let you know it's been investigated.
Yeah.
If a cop, somebody comes up and looks and says, "Oh, hey, there's tape on the door."
That is good. That way you know that there's nobody in it.
Yep.
There's got to be safety procedures for something like this. This is scary.
Yeah, they closed down the roads. Wow.
Notice I was not laughing.
I'm like, that was just all white.
Okay.
Trucker's still behind us.
Yeah, which is the other thing on my mind?
You know what's on my mind?
What?
George is all